Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a very important video. Watch this video up to end. Don't miss any parts. In this video, I will explain to you how to download Capcut and how to install the Capcut application on your system. In the future, I will make two fresh videos about the usage of the Capcut application. It's mean how to use the Capcut application. Come to the laptop, open the Google Chrome, and then type the up to down for the window. Then click on it and then open the first link. This is the up to down main page. Then click on the search icon and type the Capcut application. You can see here, click on the Capcut and then scroll down. You can see here, this is the latest version of the Capcut application. Click on it and scroll down again. And finally, click on the download button of the Capcut application. Click on it. Then click on the start download button. And you can see here the download of the Capcut application start. The downloading speed of the Capcut application is depend upon your internet speed. Click on the pause button because I have already downloaded the Capcut application. You can see here, this is the Capcut exe file. I have already downloaded it. Right click on it and then click on the open option and then click on the install button. It will take some time and you can see here the installation is started, and then finally click on the start now button. This is the main page of the Capcut application. You can see here the message is about the new version of the Capcut application is available here. You can see if you want to update the old version into the new version, then click on the install now. The new version installation will start here. You can see this is the huge application for the video editing. If you have any question about the Capcut downloading and Capcut installing, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.